Hello, everyone. It is a pleasure to be presenting today at this platform. I'm the founder of Intelligent Lab on Fiverr. We're tackling one of the biggest healthcare challenges of our century, Alzheimer's disease. It's a terrifying disease which, despite multiple efforts, does not have a treatment in the market. One of the reasons behind this failure lies in the way that patients are recruited into clinical trials. Current screening methods, they fail to achieve efficient inclusion and stratification of patients by either being invasive or costly and inconvenient, and that eventually causes 90% of patients to leave trials, making trials much more expensive than other diseases. This is the heart of the problem that we're solving at iLof. We're enabling the development of personalized therapies for complex heterogeneous diseases like Alzheimer's. We do this through our patented platform technology, which can stratify patients for clinical trials. This enables trial sponsors to save 40% of their screening costs, reduce 70% of the time, at the same time make the process humane and convenient for patients. How does it work? Our patented platform, it analyzes blood samples that are derived from patients using a laser beam guided through an optical fiber. A backscattered signal is then acquired and processed into an optical fingerprint of the sample. Finally, this fingerprint is then compared with our cloud-based fingerprint library for potential matches. That leads to detection of biomarkers and profiles for patient screening and stratification in a minimally invasive, rapid, low-cost, and adaptable way. Our mission is to transform the way that patients are enrolled and monitored into clinical trials, and our ultimate goal is to become a fundamental part of clinical routines through offering personalized treatments based on patient profiles. And this is not all. iLof is a validated platform technology, and our vision is to expand our cloud-based fingerprint library to accelerate personalized treatments for complex heterogeneous diseases with unmet need, like Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, and traumatic brain injury. We're well positioned to achieve this. In this past year, we've built multiple partnerships, initiated 3 clinical studies, generated a proprietary data bank. We also gained traction from blue chip pharma, including Roche and Janssen, and a revenue generating partnership with the UK-based biotech. We've raised more than 3 million euros of investment from EIT Health, Microsoft, and Mayfield Fund, and our work has also been recognized by CV Insights as a global top 150 digital health company. This is the team that's making this happen. It's comprised of more than 15 scientists, entrepreneurs, and investors based in Oxford and Porto, and we're supported by an incredible group of pharma and tech executives. To continue to accelerate our growth, we're currently engaging with strategic investors as we plan our next investment round, and we'd love to hear from interested individuals in the audience. Also, if you're a researcher or a biotech looking for more efficient ways for drug development, please also reach out. One person in the world develops dementia every 3
Thank you very much, Mehak, for this excellent presentation. A lot of information to take in on board, but critical, obviously, for the world population and Alzheimer's. Anne Savoie from the jury, if you want, you may ask your question.
Thank you for your pitch, very interesting. My question regards your interaction with pharmaceutical companies. There are some standards in clinical studies, and do they have to adapt their clinical design to your fingerprints data, or do you adapt to these standards?
Our technology is a completely portable technology that can be integrated into clinical sites. So it's it's not really an additional step. It fits in very easily in the clinical trial protocol. Blood is already taken during clinical studies. We only require small volumes of the sample, around 150 microliters. And in the first place, we actually can also use frozen samples. So we're using those partnerships to be able to prove the efficacy of our platform. Following on from that, we will then be integrated into clinical trials. But as I mentioned, so it fits in very neatly in the protocol currently.
If I have time, I have a second question. You said that your platform is patented. What's the status of your portfolio?
So we have a PCT on the method and the device, and we've actually just submitted 2 further patents on other refinements as well as another application.